These rare classic cars recently sold at auction. Let's find out how much and let's check them out. Starting with this 1964 GTO convertible. It has its numbers matching 389 engine, which was rated at 325 horsepower. It also has its original dark blue bucket seat interior with the console and the 4-speed shifter, which controls the M20 transmission. The car has been recently repainted in original skyline blue, and the white power top is also new. It has power steering, brakes, new dual exhaust, and aftermarket wheels. This car sold for $37,500. The next car is a 1969 Buick GS. The red GS emblems look really nice against the blue paint. The car has its original Stage 1 400 cubic inch engine and automatic transmission. It retains all of the original components specific to a Stage 1 car. The interior is also blue with bucket seats and a console. This car sold for $44,000. If you enjoy classic car videos, then click the subscribe button below and be notified of my future videos. Here's a 1969 Cadillac Eldorado. It's hard to believe, but this car is all original, including its paint, vinyl top, and drivetrain. It only has 33,000 miles. The interior is black and gray with wood trim on the dashboard, front and rear door panels. This Eldorado ended up selling for $28,500. Here's a 1957 Corvette convertible, which has its numbers matching 283 engine with dual quads. It was rated at 245 horsepower. The car is 61,000 miles. The soft convertible top is tan. There is no hard top. The car has been stored in a climate-controlled environment for the past 25 years. It is a nice-looking car that presents itself well. This car sold for $41,000. This is a 1966 Shelby GT350H, which stands for Hertz. It was originally delivered to High Performance Motors in California for dealer prep prior to delivery to the Hertz rental car in Los Angeles. It has received a complete nut and bolt restoration. The paint is ivy green with gold stripes and a black interior. 1,000 of these were delivered to Hertz, where you could rent this car for $17 per day and 17 cents per mile. I guess 1/4 mile at a time. Under the hood is its numbers matching 289 4-barrel paired to a 4-speed manual transmission. The car sold for $195,000. This 1972 was born a regular Chevelle and is now an SS 454 tribute car. It has beautiful fathom blue paint, new chrome trim, and weather stripping. It has a white bucket seat interior with the console and the automatic shifter. Under the hood is a 454 matched to a turbo 350 transmission. It has power steering, power front disc brakes, a functional cowl induction hood, and correct 15-inch spoke wheels. The car sold for $37,500. Next is a 1955 Chevy 3100 pickup truck. It's a 5-window deluxe cab with a short bed. Under the hood is a 327 with an automatic transmission. It has AC, power steering, and a tilt steering column. The bed is made of oak, and it's sold for $39,000. Here's a beautiful 1966 Chevy SS Nova. It's painted marina blue, has stainless steel covers and white wool tires. The interior is black with bucket seats and a 4-speed shifter on the floor. Under the hood is the L79 327 350 horsepower engine. Underneath, the car looks just as clean. It comes with plenty of documentation, including its protector plate. The car sold for $63,000. The next car is a 1954 Ford Crestline Victoria. It has a beautiful sandstone white paint job with the green accent roof. The car has power steering and brakes. Inside is a matching green and white interior. Around the rear is a Continental spare with plenty of chrome. Under the hood is a 239 V8 matched to a 3-speed Ford-O-Matic transmission. The car sold for $25,000. This 1969 Chevy Chevelle SS has had the same owner for the past 53 years. It has a complete restoration. Under the hood is the numbers matching 396 engine, which was rated at 350 horsepower. It's backed by a 4-speed transmission, has power brakes and steering. It has a black interior with bucket seats and a console. The car sold for $51,500. This 1979 Corvette has 5,100 miles and is all original. It has the 350 L82 under the hood and is matched to a 4-speed transmission. The color combo is nice with the blue exterior and doe skin interior. The car is literally a time capsule and looks like it's sitting on the showroom floor in 1979. Even the tires are original. This car sold for $30,000. Check out my other classic car videos here. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.